morning. We are heading to Limkit Kai for our booster. Finally, makapag-booster na rin kami at saka Pfizer pa. Kasi noon pa sana pero last December, busy ang duty. So now we're going out. Nandito kami we're passing by the guardhouse. So we will update you doon pag andun na kami sa Limkit Kai. From time to time, vlog ko kung saan kami dadaan. See you around, guys. Sana kayo dyan. Okay lang kayo dyan. Take care, everyone. Stay safe. Even vaccinated na, even naka-booster na still. Ano pa din? Sanang matakdan. Mahawaan pa din, kaya huwag magkumpiyansa. Tama ba yun? Stay safe, everyone. See you around. We just arrived, Limkit Kai. Let me show you around. Wait lang. Tapos na pala yung condominium doon. Makita.
Yung puno is medical center.
Oo. Ayan, Ace Medical Center is now up. So, very soon that will be open na to the public. Bagong hospital yan dito. So, we are now here at Limkit Kai. We are passing by, what's this? Mandawi po. Yun ang Limkit Kai. Passing Department of Foreign Affairs. Matagal naman yan. Ba't andyan pa? Land Bank, BPI, Air Philippines. So we will be going up maybe doon sa atrium. Ano ba yan? Tawag dyan. Okay na kaya dito sa ang parking? Okay na kaya? Oo, parang open na. Good. Dito kami nagpa-park, guys. Buti na lang at open na ngayon. Thanks God. Ayan, open na. So,
Long time no see.
It's been a while dito. Ilang years na. 2 years. Now it's back. Good. Kasi yung booster scheduled at 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So ayun, nandito na tayo. Finally, pabalik kami dito. See you around. Hi guys, kinuha pa yung yung QR code. Ayun na si Shane. Hindi na makita. Ano na siya sa taas. Anyway, go with us guys. Finally, it's our favorite parking space kasi punta kami sa Limkit Kai. So, ayan ang Shopwise grocery store. Ayan ang Amor. Favorite din namin na bread dyan. Amor Bread House. Open na mga restaurants. Ito ang Shopwise. We will drop by maybe this after sa booster. Depende kung dito or doon sa Afghanistan. Ayan si Shane. Ayan, finally bago na ang restaurant yun. Bao Bistro. Sana yung before. Dito kami doon. Dito kami before here, oh. Iwan ko ngayon ano kaya ang mangyayari. May I'll just turn you around kasi hindi naman kailangan ako makita guys. Ayan. At least bumalik na, oh. Hindi pa namin alam kung saan. Baka downstairs. May mga chairs doon, oh. Yan siguro, ayun. Hindi naman siguro. Just look around, guys. Will it be here? Kasi may mga seats, oh. Dito ba, Shing? Okay. They will be looking for our vaccination card. Ako Ako Meron ano dito, oh. Yan ang mga seats provided for maybe pag darating na yung maraming tao. So they're going to sit there. Here we are.
Grabe kayo sublanan.
Paniguro. Thank you. We're going na inside. You don't need that anymore. Give me. I just bring it. You're now here. Let's bakuna. Kasangga ng video. Ikot-ikot pala tayo, guys. Double mask kami, guys. To be sure. Maluwag pala. Ayun, oh. These are the seats they're preparing for this vaccination. Kung maraming tao, at least, ma-accommodate naman. So now it's 8:08 na. At least, andito kami early. As early as now. Ano yan? Okay. What? Okay. Thank you. Para amo ipakita ang nag-booster mi ha. O diba? We're so proud naka-booster kami. So what do you need?
Vaccination card lang.
Vaccination card. Here. You are from DOH, ma'am?
No, from LGU.
Ah, okay.
Do you have QR code, ma'am?
Nasa diha.
Booster, yes. Kung sa ganit, sir. Napay Pfizer, Moderna, Sinovac, Astra.
Can I get it?
Kasi yung gusto, sir. Sinovac magyapon, sir.
Pfizer lang to, ma'am, ha? Oh my God. Ayaw.
Kasi pwede yan, ah.
Hindi na lang, ma'am.
Okay.
Hindi mo i-booster, ma'am?
Pfizer. Okay na ka? Okay. She's my daughter.
Yes, sir, ma'am.
So, ito kami. here until our name. We will be called to get inside. It's 9:19 na pala guys. Kaya parang kala ko early kami kasi this started 8 o'clock. Tapos ngayon it's already 9:19. So antay mode lang tayo guys. See you around. Going now guys. Let's see what's inside. Ito pala. Siksikan ang tao. Oh my God. Wala ang social distancing guys. Sikat ang tao. Wala ang social distancing. The first 5 rows, gani. Guardian, may nakadaghan na nila.
Ang guardian sa likod lang.
Wala may guardian.
Pinadala sa motor na mga
We're here now inside, guys.
Ma'am.
Pfizer, ma'am.
Palo lang naman.
Thank you.
Pfizer.
Here? Are you back? Okay. Look around, guys. So we're going to fill up some forms.
Ang second dose and yung booster na ako first dose na to, no? Sa ato second dose and booster, same na ako na itong proseso mag-fill out na diyan ko sa form, ha? Mag-remind mo yung inyong fill-upan. Kanya lang na yung mga ipang-checkan na mo. Hindi mo mag-check anong boxes na makita sa form. Kasi doktor, anong part na. Sa almost recipient's name na pamutangan na, inuha na siyang pangalan. Recipient's name, pangalan, birthday, na yung set. Kung ano yung consent, ayaw mo galimot o sulat sa inyong pangalan dito sa linya. Permahan dahil sa ibabaw. Ang date karon February 15, 2022.
Pero, yeah.
Magawa sa inyong vaccination card, booster card, palihog, para diyan
Sa waiting area. So after may nag-fill up ng form, we went ahead to get our blood pressure, our heart rate, and everything, something like that. And then we proceeded to the doctor. Sila ang nag-testify that we're all good. They're asking me for my medicine. And then we proceeded to yung may mga laptops doon kasi they encode all our data. And now we are here sa waiting area before we will be vaccinated. So, see you guys. Diyan si Shing.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Ang vital signs. Before that is the counseling area. And here is the screening area. And then the vaccination area. Doon na kami pag-proceed ngayon. Yung vaccination area. And we also post-vaccination area. Yung doon may mga laptop. Yun silang mag-input ng data ng mga patients. Ay, ng mga tao pala. Hindi naman patients, no? So, see you around, guys. Yan, mga doctors yan sila in front of us on our left also. They will be just asking us kung meron ba kami nararamdaman. Yun. In the past 2 weeks. So far, so good naman. Okay lang. So now we're just waiting for us to proceed to the vaccination area. See you again, guys. Here again. We are now at the vaccination area. Ayan. Shane. Kita niyo yung marka doon. 5. Vaccination area. So, tinawag na kami. Okay. Nalilito tuloy ako. Ano ba ito? So, doon pala ang vaccination area, guys. Can you see that? Mga watchers yung nasa left, oh. Ako, sama-sama ko naman din si Shane. So, we're here now. We'll just wait for our turn. As they finish there in front, we also go forward. See you in a while. After pala kami mag-vaccinate, we will go there in that post-vaccination area. We're almost here, guys. Ito yan sila. Here?
Dira, ma'am. Here, ma'am. Here.
So, dito daw. Hi, ma'am. Good morning.
Dito lang ato bang.
Few minutes.
Mag-wait po.
Ah, okay. They're going to get our BP. Minutes?
Basta ka ulitin.
Ah, okay. Ay, buyag.
Higit tayo ng dito.
Salamat tayo. So, 120/80, normal. BP na siya, ma'am, no? Thank you naman. So, yung hindi pa nakapa-booster dyan, go na, guys. Do not be afraid. It's for everyone's protection. Exit na tayo. Exit na tayo. Dito tayo. Kasi one way to, guys. Hindi pwede babalik-balik doon. So, everything was good. And, yeah. It's good. Ayan, rest bakuna. Picture muna tayo dito. So, picture muna para souvenir. Picture. Now, we're heading home. Ano, dito tayo mag-grocery o doon na sa ano. Tingnan niyo ano. Wala man nakitaan. Braso is life. Kuan man. So, bibili tayo konti ng grocery, guys. Before tayo, I hope we will be feeling good kasi we need to go to the store tomorrow. Kasi today is close ang store. So, kaya pumunta talaga kami dito ng booster. Kasi supposedly last December pa, kaya lang busy. So, andito na tayo ngayon sa Shopwise. Ito, bago to, guys. O, hindi ito before. Bao Bistro. Iba na. Nawala na yung ano yun. Kalimutan ko. But ito, still the same. Amor. Gusto ko bread nila dyan. So, now, we're here sa Shopwise. Grocery tayo konti. See you around.